This video is sponsored by Restaurantware, and in it we're talking about serving ladles. Specifically, this 1 ounce black plastic serving ladle. And it comes in several different handle lengths, right? So right here I have the 13-inch length and the 8.5, but it also comes in a 10.5-inch length as well. And that allows you to serve out of different size containers, right? Obviously, if you're dipping into something deep, you're gonna want a longer handle. So the size options here are more about the container that you're gonna be serving out of than the ladle itself. They're all 1 ounce ladles. So keep in mind that 1 ounce is about 2 tablespoons of material by volume. So these are really meant for doing things like serving sauces, say for the top of sundaes, or on top of, say, a roast or another dish where you're wanting to put on a gravy or a salad where you're looking to put on some dressing, right? So they're not necessarily meant for cooking, right? Because these are plastic ladles, they're meant for serving. So whether that's something cool like some chocolate sauce or caramel for the top of a sundae, or something that's warmed up like a gravy, right? These are all little serving ladles that are meant to go on, say, your buffet, your food display, something like that, so that your staff can serve to guests or guests can serve themselves. But they make for a nice, sleek design, and the convenient little hooks on the end are meant to hook over the edge of whatever you're serving out of, whether that's a bain-marie, a gravy boat, or another kind of dish, so that your ladles don't get lost down inside of there. So it's a nice, convenient little feature. It also has a nice little bit of a textured grip there as well to make for more convenient pouring.